XRP price skyrockets. A closer look at Ripple's recent surge. In today's blog, we will examine the factors that have contributed to XRP's impressive 20% price rally, as investors grow increasingly optimistic about Ripple winning its case against the SEC. We'll delve into the driving forces behind this price surge, including the role of major exchanges and the anticipated resolution of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. Ripple's SEC lawsuit anticipation. One of the primary reasons for the increase in XRP's price is the expected resolution of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple, which was filed back in December 2020. The legal proceedings are anticipated to wrap up in the first half of 2023, and many investors believe Ripple will emerge victorious, leading to a renewed sense of optimism in the market. Upbit and other exchanges fueling the rally. South Korean cryptocurrency exchange Upbit is responsible for the largest chunk of XRP's trading volume, commanding a 19.05% share. Other major exchanges contributing to the rally include Binance, Bithumb, Coinsbit, OKX, and KuCoin. This surge in trading volume has provided the XRP token with increased liquidity, further propelling its price upward. Liquidations and bearish positions. According to CoinGlass data, liquidations over the past 24 hours have amounted to $16.69 million. Bears have taken the biggest hit, with short positions accounting for the lion's share, $12.48 million, of the sum. This indicates that the market is currently favoring a bullish stance on XRP. Ripple's fair notice defense. In a recent court filing, Ripple Labs cited the Supreme Court verdict in Bittner v. United States to bolster its fair notice defense against the SEC. Ripple argues that the SEC's failure to provide clear guidance on navigating securities laws for digital assets has left market participants in a fog of confusion and uncertainty. A positive outcome for Ripple could have a significant impact on the future of XRP and other digital assets in the United States. Conclusion. The 20% price rally for XRP can be attributed to a variety of factors, including the expected resolution of the SEC lawsuit, increased trading volume on major exchanges, and the liquidation of bearish positions. As the legal proceedings draw to a close, it will be interesting to see how the market reacts to the final verdict. Stay tuned for the latest updates on this evolving story. Source: You Today. I'm not an expert on blockchain. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. We upload content frequently,